Hello and welcome to 802 10th Street, Unit 2. We are now on the upper level, the living space level, and we're going to go through some great features of the master bedroom. Come. Here we go. Ned's the cameraman, our trusty cameraman today. Sometimes we switch the roles here. We're going to go ahead and take a look at this awesome master bath. So here, this master bath, we have an oversized 72-inch vanity, as well as this shower that easily fits two, with a rain head, as well as regular head and wand. Those are marble tiles on the wall there in that shower, as well as in the floor. And the floors are heated so that just when you get out of the shower, your feet stay nice and toasty when you hit the floors. Just across from that is the master closet, a full walk-in closet with storage, fully integrated storage solutions. It could also be optioned if you'd like to do a little bit more build out if that was something that you were interested in. And take a look at this master suite. So this master suite easily again fits a king-size bed, plenty of room for end tables, incredible light. We've got windows all across the back of the property, including this wonderful port light. In addition, we have a little balcony just off the back if you want to let a little bit of fresh air in. And this has to be one of my most favorite features of this entire property. Look at this built-in. So here the builder chose to give you a dresser so you didn't have to put one in yourself. So here we have the granite countertops that match the kitchen. We have the cabinets in white here, same brand, same custom cabinetry as the kitchen with soft close to provide additional storage in your master suite beyond that wonderful walk-in closet. It's the little touches in these properties that really make them special. Well, we hope you enjoyed our video tour here of the master bedroom of 802 10th Street, Unit 2. We hope to see you on the next one.